Okay, so the first question is find the intervals in which the function f equals to x cube minus 4x square plus 4x is first is strictly increasing, or you can show strictly increasing function by using this. Strictly increasing. Okay. And this arrow shows the increasing function. Okay. Second one, strictly decreasing, or we can show ठीक है? Any doubt? Now for this function, what is the derivative of f of x? What is the derivative?
3x square minus 8x plus 4.
3x square minus 8x plus 4. Yes, very good. The derivative is 4. Then next, what we can do here? Then f dash x, this will be 3x square minus 4x plus 4. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am, minus 8x.
What I have written? Okay, minus 8x. Sorry. Okay. After this, what we can do?
Add and minus x square.
We can make the factors. Now see student, we have to find the interval here. Okay. See, for finding the interval, we now cannot say here, we no need to show f dash x is greater than 0 is less than 0, because when we have solved the problems where we have shown f dash x greater than 0 less than 0, in that case we have proved the function is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. But now here it is already given for the first one, if the function is strictly increasing, then its derivative is strictly greater than 0. Now here we have the derivative is 3x square minus 8x plus 4. Now if the first we consider for f of x to be strictly increasing, f dash x should be strictly greater than 0. Yes. So what is the derivative here? We have found. So this is 3x square minus 8x plus 4 strictly greater than 0. Now what are the factors? Because we have to find the interval. What are the factors?
6, 2.
Huh? How 6 and 2?
6 and 2.
How 6 and 2? If you have to solve them here in this table, so you can do this calculation. Then we can start with the first. Okay, f dash x factors.
Minus 6 and minus 2.
Minus 6 and minus 2. Yes. No, 6 and 2 means that factors I am not asking. What will be that factors I was asking, not the solution for x. Are you getting? Because we have to find the intervals. We cannot take there 2 and 6. So it will be 3x square minus 6x minus 4. So x minus 2 minus 2 common x minus 2. Okay. So this will be, we'll solve this. Are you there, Suraj? So this we can write x minus 2 x minus 2, and this is 3x minus 2. So the factor for f dash x is x minus 2 and 3x minus 2. Is it correct? Is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
है ना? Now see, अभी और एक पॉइंट आपको क्लियर करना है. क्रिटिकल पॉइंट एक डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन वो बढ़ाएंगे तब पॉइंट आपको चाहिए. Are you getting? See, critical point means what? Critical points f dash x equals to 0. Now here, what are the critical points? What are the critical points here? Yes, boys. Now here, 0 will be what? चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. Then what is the value of x?
2 and 2 by 3.
Yes, 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, if f dash equals to 0, therefore x equals to 2, 2 by 3. Critical points. Please write down this. Critical points are the critical points. Okay. We got the critical points 2, 2 by 3. Okay. Now first, for f of x to be increasing function, f dash of x strictly greater than 0 means what you got? X minus 2. The derivative this we will write. X minus 2 and 3x minus 2 strictly greater than 0. Okay. Strictly greater than 0. अभी इसके बाद क्या होगा? What will be the intervals? Will you guess? What will be the intervals?
Minus infinity to 2 by 3 union 2 to infinity.
Minus infinity to 2 by 3.
2. Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting this? How we have solved? Other students, remaining students, are you getting how that intervals has? Suraj, how you have solved?
Ma'am, by Weaver method. Ma'am, by number line.
By using number line you have solved. Okay, okay. There are so many methods for solving this. So here we'll see now. I will erase this. In RD Sharma, they have given only one method, but we can have what we can say. We can have two methods here. See, what are the critical points? 2 and 2 by 3. 2 and 2 by 3. 2 points are critical point. So we can draw the number line here. 2 by 3 and this is 2. Here plus infinity, here minus infinity we can write. So if two critical points are there, then we have three intervals like minus infinity to 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 and 2 we cannot take. So one more interval 2 by 3 to 2 and okay. Now we have in which interval the given function is increasing, strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Now in RD Sharma, what is the rightmost point? This is 2. Okay. Yes or no? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can, in this interval, From this interval you can start plus, then alternate plus minus sign you can give, minus and plus. Now this plus sign, we have given for the interval 2 to infinity. So wherever the plus sign is there, in that interval the given function is strictly increasing. Okay, and where the minus sign is there, then the function is strictly decreasing. Now student, you can ask that how we can say that the given function is increasing or decreasing. So we are having one more method. See, are you getting this? Now the first method which I have discussed with you, same method you please use in your UPSC exam. Please, because the second method will take your time, but you should know how we can say directly this function is increasing between these intervals. See student, now we'll draw the columns, one for sine, one for intervals. See, suppose we have these intervals minus infinity to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 to 2, and 2 to infinity. And simultaneously you should know f dash x also here. What is f dash x? X minus 2 and x minus 2 by 3. Now student, in this interval, first interval, okay, in the first interval, minus infinity to 2 by 3, the value of x will be strictly less than what? In this interval, value of x will be strictly less than 2 by 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the value will be less than 2 by 3. If the value will be less than 2 by 3, then this bracket, now here we can write x minus 2, x minus 2 by 3. Okay, here intervals. Okay, and here we'll write the sign, huh? Plus or minus sign. Okay, this will be negative. If it is less than 2 by 3 means clearly it will be less than 2 also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so minus. Now minus into minus will be plus. Okay? Huh? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am. Got, ma'am.
Only Abhijit Chattar and Suraj Shinde is present in this lecture, or remaining students are also there.
Present, ma'am. Yes,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
So why are not taking efforts to give the reply? और ये भी आपका शेड्यूल फिक्स है कि आज ये बोलेगा यस मैम, कल वो बोलेगा, परसों वो बोलेगा. हाँ? Whenever we are asking in between, that time you are saying yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Now I will stop this. Means I will not ask you are you getting or not. If you are having any doubt, you ask in between. Stop me while teaching, please, and ask me. Okay? Now you can say yes or no.
Ma'am, in exam, can you write direct answer?
Yes, yes, that only. But how this method has come in a board exam, you should know na this. ये कैसे आता है, प्लस माइनस कैसे करते हैं हम लोग, वो तो समझ में आना चाहिए आपको.
Okay, ma'am.
आर्या,
Ma'am.
we will follow this now. I will not ask you are you getting or not. Done? Start your videos. Let me see. Start your videos. Start your videos. Yes, yes. Aditya Taude is there. Suraj Shinde is there. Atharva Ghatpande is there. Arya Dharmatti is there. Abhijit Chattar is there. Atharva Veta is there. Ashutosh Bad, am I audible to you? Am I audible? अक्षय आपटे, संकेत सूर्यवंशी, ठीक है. Now the time is 4. Yes, 4 o'clock is there. Now from today, now this after 4 o'clock, I will not ask you are you getting or not. Okay, I will teach only. So if x is less than 2, clearly x is strictly less than. If x is less than 2 by 3, then x is strictly less than 2. So for this, we'll get this bracket negative, this bracket negative. Means if we'll put the value of x, it will give the positive sign. Now if the value of the x is in between 2 by 3 to 2, so it will be greater than 2 by 3, but it will be less than 2. So one bracket will be positive, one will be negative. Okay, positive and negative. So positive into negative, it will give you clearly negative sign. Okay, the value for this x is greater than 2 by 3 and x is strictly less than 2, so it will be minus plus, it gives the minus. Now in a third interval, what happens in a third interval? The value of x will be greater than 2 as well as greater than 2 by 3. So in both you will get the positive sign, so it will give the plus. So wherever f dash x is positive, means when it is positive gives the condition f dash x greater than 0. Okay, so clearly here f dash x greater than 0 means the function is strictly increasing. Here f dash x negative value means f dash x less than 0, the function is strictly decreasing. Okay, then last one, positive here also, derivative of the function at a point strictly greater than 0, so it is strictly increasing. Okay, so we have seen now how to find the intervals for a function for strictly increasing and strictly decreasing function. When you will write answer for this question in board exam, you have to write this chart or you have to explain how you have given the plus or minus sign. Okay, so here the given function is, or we can write here, we can draw the chart intervals, you, or you can say this is a decision making table. Decision making table. Now here intervals we can write, then function, then sign and result. Okay, intervals, then function means or derivative, we can say derivative of the function, or here you can write f dash x intervals, and the values of x will check in one column f dash x, then sign for f dash x we can say. Okay, one more column, the final sign and result. Okay, so in a first what will be there, minus infinity to 2 by 3, here x less than 2 by 3, so it in one bracket it will be negative and here also negative, the final sign will be positive, it is strictly increasing. Then in 2 by 3 to 2, it will be x is greater than 2 by 3 but x is less than 2. Here if it is less than 2 by 3, it will be less than 2. Okay, next, so here if it is greater than 2 by 3, it will be positive and this will be negative, the final sign will be minus and it is strictly less than 0. Derivative is strictly less than 0, clearly the function is strictly increasing. Okay, so here for 2 to infinity, it will be x is greater than 2 by 3 as well as x is greater than 2 also. So plus plus will give the plus sign, it is strictly increasing. So after this chart, you can you can say that the given function is strictly increasing in the interval minus infinity to 2 by 3 union with 2 to infinity. And for this 2 by 3 to 2 by 3 to 2, we can say that the given function is decreasing. Okay, so you can write here, we'll write, therefore, directly you can say that, you can no need to write the first and second one. Function f of x is strictly increasing. After writing this, what we can say, decision making table, no need to explain because everything is there. It is strictly increasing in the interval minus infinity to 2 by 3 union with 2 to infinity. Okay, and first you can, and second one, f of x. Please note that here we are writing the function f of x, not f dash x. For function to be increasing or decreasing, we are checking the sign, whatever it is for f dash x, means whether it is negative or positive, then it decides that the given function is strictly increasing or not. Okay, so f of x is here strictly decreasing, in the interval 2 by 3 to 2. Okay, any doubt? Sorry, no doubt.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Now I am feeling that I am making video for uploading on YouTube only. है ना? Okay, next question is, we'll take from RD now. Yes, 4x cube, same question. The function will be, in which interval it will be strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. The function is f of x equals to, is it visible? F of x equals to 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24x. The previous question was not from RDO. Here they have asked the question f of x, means solve. The question was solve f of x equals to this greater than 0. ऐसे solve करना है आपको. कैसे करोगे? चलो. I will not ask
Ma'am,
you.
what we have to
I
do?
can ask you the questions. Huh? How you can solve this problem?
Ma'am, but what we have to do here?
It is given. Just a minute. एक काम करो. Same question, only polynomial we will change. Function will change. Find the intervals in which the given function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. ठीक है ना? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, it's 24x or x? Only 24.
Just a minute. I will write here. Second. F of x 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24x. ठीक है? ठीक है. What is the derivative? F dash x 12x square minus 48x plus 4. अरे क्या है ये? Just a minute. 24x नहीं है वो. 24 है सिर्फ. 44. So 4 threes. यहाँ पे भी 4 है, यहाँ पे भी 4 है. So 4 in bracket 3x square minus 12x plus 11. 4. 4 तो पॉजिटिव ही है। अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 33 को कैसे करोगे, 33 11 कैसे करोगे 33 को, what you will do, 33 है ना, प्लस 33 माइनस 12 करवाना है, कैसे करोगे,
Not possible.
ये कुछ तो भी अलग ही आ रहा है ना। Okay, find the roots by using that find the discriminant and all, and give the brackets, both the brackets. चलो first solid, what are the values of x, yes boys, चलो जल्दी जल्दी, okay you find it. Third question I will give, I think somewhere they have not given here this coefficient, so that we can directly we could have find the values of the x, है ना। Okay, so next question will take, see student, this question I have taken as it is, that polynomial I have taken from the first question, and in that they have asked the intervals for x, means they have given the condition here strictly greater than 0, and in which interval this x will be there, so they have asked this. Okay, so don't solve this problem for strictly increasing and decreasing function, please keep it as it is. I will give you another question. fx is 2x cube minus 9x square, मुझे लगा वो सॉल्व कर पाओगे, लेकिन उसके फैक्टर्स नहीं आ रहे बराबर, ये तो सॉल्व
Ma'am, that question was from previous years.
which one,
Ma'am, the second one.
this question, yes, 2010 and 2011 this was asked. Second नहीं, third, this second question is not asked.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, from RD I have taken the polynomial as it is. They have not asked the question on the increasing decreasing. But मुझे लगा कि आप कर पाओगे फैक्टर्स, लेकिन उसके बहुत बड़े आएंगे फैक्टर्स, ठीक है। So this will take now. What is f dash x here? 6x square minus 18x plus 12. So 6 in bracket x square minus 3x plus 2. क्या आएंगे फैक्टर्स?
-2 -1.
X minus 2, x minus 1. What are the critical points?
2 and 1.
Yes, critical points are equals to 1, 2. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या होगा, अभी मैं चार्ट नहीं बनाऊंगी हर बार, if it will come in board you have to write that decision making table. Okay, so here 1 2, right, most 2 is there, plus
Ma'am, that chart is for how many marks?
Suraj, now see, if this question will come for 6 marks, okay, I will check now here for how many marks this question has come. In RD Sharma, they just have given the year. We'll see now in which. Just a minute. 2010. No? (2011) and 2012. 4 marks. 4 marks. 4 marks they have asked the same question. Okay, let me see again. In 2000, and yesterday one question I have taken x comma x minus 2 whole square. वही लिया था क्या मैंने कल? That question is also they have asked for 6 marks only. X in bracket x minus 2 whole square का एक क्वेश्चन मैंने लिया था कि ये कल और नहीं लिया था? Please tell me. ठीक है? If this will question will come, it will come for 4 marks. और एक जगह पे उन्होंने 6 मार्क्स के लिए ये पूछा है, तो इट कैन कम फॉर 4 और 6 मार्क्स. ओके, यहाँ पे मिल नहीं रहा मुझे वो क्वेश्चन सेम, बट इन आरडी दे हैव गिवन द ईयर. टुमारो आई विल टेल यू. ओके, सो हियर rightmost point is 2, so from this interval it will be plus, alternate sign minus plus. So in interval 2 to infinity, see Suraj, you have asked me na that chart for how many marks. See,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होता है अभी देखो, यहाँ पे आपने फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड किया, जो भी फाइनल वैल्यू होती है डेरिवेटिव की उसको मार्क्स रहते हैं, और जो आप फैक्टर्स निकालते हो उसको मार्क्स रहेंगे. ये बीच में आप क्या कर रहे हो उन्हें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. ठीक है, सो द डेरिवेटिव important steps I am telling you. Derivative, this bracket, and after this the critical points, because by using the critical points only you are able to find the intervals. Okay, तो ये मेन स्टेप्स है. तो ये इंटरवल में वो पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव है वो आपको सबसे पहले चाहिए, तो आप चार्ट फॉर्म में लिखो या एक्सप्लेन करो. नाउ इट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू राइट एटलीस्ट इन बिटवीन 2 टू इंफिनिटी इंटरवल f dash x is पॉजिटिव है ना, एटलीस्ट दिस शुड बी देयर.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is positive, it is strictly increasing. In between 1 to 2, f dash x is negative, it is strictly decreasing. In between minus infinity to 1, f dash x is greater than 0, so it is strictly increasing. Now you tell me, if your mistake is there in finding critical point, then what will be there? You will get marks for only the derivative, for finding the derivative. है ना? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
You can consider this 1, 2, 1 mark or 1.5 mark, and if you are drawn the chart, then they will give you 2 marks also there. Okay, so the final answer you have to tell in which interval it is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Final जो भी आंसर था आपको उसको 1 marks देते हो. ठीक है, so you can split that 1 plus 1 plus this 1 plus final answer 1. ठीक है, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
But according to me, these steps are important: finding derivative, finding critical points, and this condition. Okay, next is next question. Find the intervals in which find the intervals in which find the intervals in which f of x equals to 2x cube plus 9x square. ये प्लस है यहाँ पे अभी, plus 9x square. Fourth question I am telling you. Fourth question, plus 9x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay, find the intervals in which the given function is increasing, strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. What is the time now? अरे 4:22. चलो बताओ जल्दी. नीरज सर, नीरज सर.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. May I take your 3 minutes more? 3 minutes only, 3 minutes. Today I have not seen the time. Sorry, sir. So derivative will be f dash x is 8x square plus 18x plus 12. So what will come?
Ma'am, 6x square. 6x square.
Highest 3 to the 6. 6. So 6 will come x square plus 3x plus 2. है ना? So 6 in bracket x plus 1 and x plus 2. ठीक है? Critical points क्या आएंगे? चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी.
-2 and -1.
-2 and -1. अभी अगर मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ -1 -2, ये पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव है? पॉजिटिव. ठीक है ना? तो here f dash x greater than 0. In this interval f dash x less than 0, and in this interval f dash x greater than 0. Therefore f of x is strictly increasing in which interval? -∞ to -1 union with minus. अरे मैंने कुछ तो भी गड़बड़ किया ना. Here -2 should be there, no? -2 here, -1. Okay. In -∞ to -2, and then -1 to infinity, and strictly decreasing in -2 to -1. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will give you the question. We'll send on the group. Okay. Assignments I will give you. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Niraj sir, thank you.
Please give me the spotlight now.
Yes, sir. Yes.